Good evening. I'm coming to you from Cornerstone Christian Church, and I am in the elevator shaft. I just wanted to show you that the elevator shaft, as far as the concrete block is concerned, is completed, and it will go up from where it's at, and I'll show you that in a second. But it will be with steel studs from this point on as it goes higher. And then there'll be a cross up at the top. So this is where we're starting out this evening. A nice red-tailed hawk just flew overhead. So, you get off the elevator and you'll walk through an opening here. These concrete steps that you don't see right now should be poured next week. But you'll come down those steps and maybe go through here. So this is how it's shaping up. Those concrete cubes are the cubes that came from the doorway that you'll see in a minute has been cut down in the military room that will open up out into the living room. All right, this has pretty much been turned over to us. These steps have been painted. We've still got plastic down because we're moving boxes and furniture, all that kind of stuff around. But this is the reception area. Staff members have started moving in, so I don't think anybody is completely ready to go, but we're getting there. We don't have any doors yet. Which, when you come right down to it though, I mean, that's good. I mean, when you're moving in and there's no doors to get in the way, then that's kind of handy. So you get a good look at the carpeting, which is pretty attractive, I would say. This is Ben's office, and it's looking pretty sharp, I would say. And those windows were finished. This is the area where the elevator will open up, and this is our IT closet. A lot of stuff to carry from the old workroom to the new workroom. This is the conference table. I think quite a few meetings will take place in here. And we have another office here. And then it just so happens that I have a temporary door on my office. And what a mess. All right, I like that sign, Jesus 2020. He's the only one we can trust, right?